Hello students, a very warm welcome to an exciting journey of learning English phonetics. I hope you all are as fit as a fiddle and doing well. Children, today under phonetics, what is that we are going to learn? Well, for that I want you to look at the mind map of the chapter. Here, look at this, what have I written? It is prefix. Yes, so today we are going to learn about prefixes. So what is that? How the prefix is written? That is some group of words which is written before the root word, okay? And then we are going to learn new words. We are going to learn new words, their pronunciations, their spellings. So kids, I hope you all are excited about this chapter. Kids, let's begin with prefix. Now what is a prefix? It is nothing but a group of letters which is placed before the root word. Now look at this example. Happy. Happy is a word? Yes. Now I have added un. So which is unhappy. Together it is unhappy. So this un is nothing but prefix. Right? Again, do. Do is the root word. Here I have written redo. So this re is nothing but a prefix. Undo. Here undo is nothing but a prefix. So kids, let's learn some new words with this prefix. So kids, look at these words. First, decode. What is it? Decode. Repeat after me. Decode. Yes. So where is the prefix in this? Yes, you are right. De is the prefix and the root word is code. Right? What is the spelling? It's D-E-C-O-D-E. Decode. The next word is disagree. So which is the prefix? D-I-S is the prefix. Now repeat the spelling. D-I-S-A-G-R-E-E. Disagree. Right? The next word is disappear. D-I-S disappear. A-P-P-E-A-R. Disappeared. So next one is illegal. So this is the prefix which we have added to the word, the root word legal. The root word is legal and the word added to it is il. Okay, so these are group of letters which is added. So repeat after me. Illegal. Repeat. Illegal. So I-L-L legal. L-E-G-A-L. Legal. So next is impossible. So this is I-M is the prefix. Repeat after me. Impossible. Impossible. Yes. So what is the spelling? It's I-M-P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E. Impossible. Next, we learn the next 5 words. Mislead. So here it is. Mis is the prefix added to the root word lead. Repeat after me. Mislead. Repeat. Mislead. Yes. What is the spelling? M-I-S-L-E-A-D. Mislead. Next is misplace. So again, mis is the prefix. So what is the word? Repeat after me. It's misplace. Repeat. Misplace. Misplace. Repeat. Misplace. Yes. What is the spelling? The spelling is M-I-S-P-L-A-C-E. So that is misplace. Next one is reappear. So re is the prefix here. Reappear. Repeat after me. Reappear. Repeat it. Reappear. Yes. What is the spelling? It's R-E-A-P-P-E-A-R. R-E-A-P-P-E-A-R. Reappear. Next is unequal. So un is the prefix and equal is the root word. So repeat after me. It is unequal. Unequal. Repeat. Unequal. So spelling is U-N-E-Q-U-A-L. Unequal. The last one is react. So that is R-E. R-E is the prefix, act is the root word. So repeat after me. React. Yes, you're right. Repeat. React. Good. So kids, I hope you have learned these new words well. Now let's quickly have a small activity and check if you have got the prefixes right. So what is this? It's a match the following. Here I have given you two columns, one with the prefix and the other one with the root word. So what you have to do is you have to match the prefix with the root word, with the correct root word. Okay, are you all ready? Yes, good. So let's read it once and then you can match. So D, ill, re, un, miss. Legal, code, lead, appear, equal. Right? So now what shall we do? We shall match. So D, legal or code? Yes, it's code. So D, code. Next ill, legal. Ill, legal. Next reappear. So write it here. Reappear. Unequal. Last one is mislead. So we can add it here. So kids, what are the words that we got from here? Decode, illegal, reappear, unequal and mislead. So kids, I hope you all have understood the chapter prefixes really well. Now it's time for me to close the session and we shall meet again in the next class. Until then, you all take care and happy learning.